bringing us right into this space that is ripe for the breath, ripe for meditation, ripe for this moment of mindfulness. So I invite each one of us to get settled in our own way, take a few breaths, just shake it out, feel yourself grounded and rooted in this moment. Feel your body, notice it. Maybe draw the crown of the head high, making the spine long, and relax the shoulders down. Just give your body the message of a great let go. Connect with the breath and let it be natural. Bringing the attention now to the mind. Inviting the mind to relax by letting go, creating spaciousness. Releasing the compulsion to fixate on ideas, thoughts, concerns, stories, scenarios, movies, simply using the practice to see what floats through the mind, name it, be present to it, and return to the breath. It's not about pressuring the mind not to think. The mind does what it does. It's about bringing our being into a state where we are observing the mind, observing the body, rather than being immersed in it, captivated by it. So breath by breath, with each moment of awareness, we allow ourselves to be captivated by the Spirit. The source of our being, life itself. The silence where this life arises. So inhaling and exhaling, we lean into the stillness of the practice, simply making the space, creating fertile ground for the source of our being, for the experience of stillness. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know we are born blessed and here to be a blessing. In gratitude for the lives we've been given and the time and the form we give this life. The divine in me honors the divine in you. Namaste.